Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to chapter 2, where first we'll discuss 2.1 polar coordinates. So now let's see what's the meaning of polar coordinates. So all this while, what you have learned in coordinates is actually rectangular coordinates, where you have x, y. Okay, so x will describe your x-axis, while y here will describe your y-axis. However, now we have polar coordinates where we will describe it as r theta. So what is r? R is the radial distance from the origin to the point. And theta is the angle measured, and we measure it from the positive x-axis. So we'll see that the angle later on can be degree or in radian, and it will be counterclockwise. So positive angle will be read like this. Now let's see for case 1. What is case 1? This is when your r is positive and your theta is also positive. So what happens is when you want to graph r theta in polar coordinates, so first of all, you must focus on theta first. Okay, so let's read our theta. Theta is positive like this. And for r positive, wherever you stop, that is the terminal line. You will stop there. So this is how to plot positive r and positive angle. Now let's see what if you have r negative and positive angle. So if you want to graph for r theta, as usual, we must focus to theta first. For example, your theta is positive, so let's read your theta first. So how to see if your r is negative? For r is negative, this will go to the opposite side. Okay, so wherever you stop, that is r positive. So if you want to see r negative, let's go to the opposite side. So this is it. This is where your r is negative. Now let's see example here. They asked us to plot r theta for 3 and 45 degree. So this is r and this is theta. So as usual, as what I said before, you need to take care of your theta first. So theta now is 45 degree, and second then you take care of r, which is positive 3. So since it is positive, whenever you stop, that is the point of your terminal line. So now let's graph this. Let's open up your axis. So now let's draw your 45 degree first. So 45 degree is here. Okay, this is your angle of 45 degree. And wherever you stop, that is r positive. So let's stop here. Therefore, this is your point for 345 degree. So 3 is the magnitude, the distance of your radial here. And 45 degree is your angle. So now let's try to do this. Your r is negative 4. Your theta is 2 pi over 3. So I've rewrite the question here. So as usual, let's focus to graph where is your angle first. 2 pi over 3. Okay, so let's draw your quadrant. So 2 pi over 3 will be in quadrant 2. Okay, so this is it, 2 pi over 3. So this is where you should stop. Okay, however, since your r is negative, this is not your final answer yet. When your r is negative, you need to go to the opposite side. This is not your true line yet. Okay, your true line is the opposite side. So this is it. Therefore, this will be your answer of negative 4, 2 pi over 3.